Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can print large data in Excel professionally and make it fit to one page. Watch to the end and master printing in Excel. First, I have this data. Now let's try to print. Just from File, Print. You see how it appears? It is changed to 2 pages. Here we have unwanted portion. For example, I don't want this portion. This trial, it's not good. Come to here, then select the area. It's called setting the area for print. For example, I want only select it, or I want only print this area. Then from page layout, print area, set print area. Let's check. File, Print. You see how it appears? This one, 2 pages, but unwanted area is removed. But still, I am not agree with it. For example, I want change it to page setup, select it, landscape, and fit to one page. But before landscape, just I want fit to one page. And let's see. Here you can select the type or paper size. I selected A4. Okay. You see how it appears? It fitted to one page, but it's not good. If you want to bring it to center, it's easy. Just from page setup, margins, here center on page, horizontally and vertically. Okay. You can bring it to the center, as you see here. Now you can print it. If you not agree with this one, the best option is here we have landscape. Okay, let's see. Everything is clear, but I don't want this heading appears. This heading appears and this numbers. So come to here. Here from page layout, views. Okay, but don't print. Even you can make it don't view. Don't view grid lines. The grid lines removes. Even in view, let be appear. Headings, you can, here heading appears in the print. If you just click this one and uncheck, the headings, numbers and alphabetic heading, they don't appear in the print. If you uncheck this one, even not appear in the Excel itself. Let appear in Excel, but in the print, let doesn't appear. Just File, Print. Good. Now it's perfect. You see it's not arranged, but while print it will be perfect. It is just because I changed this margins to the center. If I just uncheck this one, it appears every lines. Even if you come to margins and select it vertically, still all lines appears and it print it perfectly. Let's see. Just print. Select the destination, for example, desktop. Name it print 2. Print 2. PDF. Save. Oh, okay. Now go to desktop and find print 2. Yes, this one. Double click on it. That's print 2. You see, it printed the data perfectly. The margins, everything is perfect. Have a nice time.